Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the dollar index has definitely been drifting down for the last several trading days. Our job is definitely going to be to try to figure out whether this move down is just a pullback to this last wave up, meaning that it's going to likely bounce from a fib level or continue the uptrend, which I honestly think is the most likely scenario, or whether it goes down and gives us the daily time frame break of structure. And if that happens, it likely will tell us that this pullback is over and that we're back into a downtrend. So while we're looking for shorts, we will be hopefully learning and earning at the same time, whether it makes lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and goes down and breaks this lower time frame structure, or while we're looking for shorts, we'll observe the market to see if it gives us a break of structure to the upside, and if it does, we will definitely start looking for longs again via the dollar pairs themselves. Right now, this is the most recent structure. If it goes up and breaks that, then definitely go back to looking for longs. If it makes a lower high and just keeps on going down, then follow the structure along the way and just keep on looking for shorts until it either confirms the big turn or confirms that we're back into an uptrend with a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.